it's not like red.
Go for it.
Go for it. Okay. Well, hey, Jason's grill here again, but anyway, not get like in my face. Sorry, because of YouTube rules, I can't do lives anymore, so this really sucks. But anyway, back up. Yeah, back to just a little bit. Okay.
Jeez, Mom.
Did some horse trading with a fellow smith. Some of you know him as, I'm gonna mess this up. Nidavellir. Nidavellir's wood and metal, I think. I'm sorry if I screwed that up. Otherwise, I just call him Woody. Woody Michael Lane. Hell of a guy. We did some horse trading. I made him something, and he sent me something. And so it's time to do a little
Unboxing.
delve down in unboxing while we're grilling asparagus and ultimate German wurst brats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope.
It's probably there now. That's better. It's
Yeah.
not upside down.
Sorry.
So okay. Anyway, in epic Woody fashion, we're gonna use a hand-forged axe.
Yeah. Sorry.
Katie, quit it. Right through the middle. Oh, this needs sharpening too. Damn. You know what? I'm ready to give up and just use my knife. I need to learn how to sharpen stuff. I got a little fold in the bevel there. That was all hammered out of a chunk of like, I don't know, inch and an eighth or inch and a quarter by inch. But damn, that was fun to make. Okay, we resort to plan B.
Good old razor.
Nick! We are the knights who say. Yes, you can comment on that one, Katie. Nee!
Nick.
Not Nick, nee.
Nick.
And Woody, I really appreciate you spending so much to get this to me. Awesome, thank you. I mean, coming from across the pond, you know, what is it, Lake Michigan? Yeah. You're gonna make everybody seasick. Slow down on the swiping of the camera. Okay. Gently pan down as to not to nauseate. Oh, cool. He's on cardboard.
Fire starter.
I might have to pack some of this cardboard back up and send it back to Yamez. Sharing is caring.
What is it?
I'm sorry. I'm supposed to count the layers to the middle of the Tootsie Pop, right? 1, 2, 3, 3, crunch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10. Oh my god, dude, you did not have to send this much. I do appreciate it though.
Jeez. Seal?
As I understand, the rounds are 52,100 if I'm not mistaken. It could be H11, which is the nearest cousin, not removed, of H13. Dude, this is awesome, and I so appreciate it. This is, wow.
No wonder it weighed so much when I went to pick it up off the step.
That was the wife, otherwise known as Denise. Blue-haired lady. I feel some punches and things coming on from this, but dude, you rock. Thank you so much. I really have to get back to the grill, and this is gonna probably take me a good 3 hours to load it. Thanks, YouTube! Anyway, as Yamez says, hearts and health, people, and as I always say, be well, and I mean it. So, be well, hammer on. Thanks.